You seen him?
You seen who? Hi, I'm Dory. Now I'm thinking of something.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
all right, Mr. Smith.
Wow! You're like totally...
I'm scared now.
Swim over and say good day to your old pal. It's your friends.
We're gonna go with that. I couldn't buy it. It totally goes fast.
We're stuck. We're gonna have to sleep in here tonight.
No.
We are.
When you say